Hey guys, welcome to this video. This is the very first video of market analysis on this channel. So I have shortlisted four stocks and that we can short in the coming sessions, which have shown a very good setup and short build up as well. So starting with NMDC, the very first stock. So if you see here, this zone from which the stock has taken reversal is now currently the price is trading at the same levels. This is basically a 1 hour time frame, and if by any chance you get a gap down in this stock, then you should definitely short till this level of 123 or 123.5. That amounts to almost 7.8 to 9%. That would be a very good target, and this target can also be achieved in 2 days. And you should definitely look NMDC, and you should take entry once this support 3 that you see here, that is with 133.45 is broken. You should short it, and you should take this as your target. Okay, so next is Ashok Leyland, and again I'm on a 15 minutes time frame. Ashok Leyland is again on a very important support right now. And if you see here, the next support is 132.65. So once this level is broken, this would be this can be a very short target, but you can definitely ignore this target. And since it's on a 15 minutes time frame, the next and the definite target for you would be this 132. That amounts to almost 4.5%, 4.4%. Okay, that's a very good target, and you should definitely add Ashok Leyland to your watch list and short once you get once this support zone or support level is broken. You should definitely go for this. Okay, and of course there has to be a under condition that the volume in these stocks should be greater on the sell side, and then and only then you should enter a trade. All right, and next is City Union Bank. Again, I'm on an hourly time frame right now. If you see here, this zone, this is not an exact uh, head and shoulders pattern, and this is kind of a similar pattern, and because theoretically the patterns are very different, and in a practical way it seems very different, so on the charts. So okay, so main important thing is you should, again this is a short trade, there can be chances of reversal, but if you find the stock below this zone, and once this S2 you see here, that is support 2, I'm taking this as a pivot point. This can be a good entry point at 154.45. Once 154.45 is broken, then you should definitely take this target of almost 4%. So it is a very good target, and the stock has a good short buildup right now. So we can definitely see this stock on the sell side. And these all these stocks are for the short itself. You should not take any long trade on them, even if they take reversal, because I don't see them like taking any reversal, or even if they take reversal, I won't be trading them personally. Alright, so next is Glenmark. Again, I'm on an early time frame on Glenmark right now, and there was a continued fall in the stock in the previous sessions as well. As you can see right over here, this trend was broken. This was one trend and it was broken, and from that the stock rallied down for almost 7%, 7.3%. Okay, so once this, and there was definitely a good volume when the stock breakdown, and once the stock, if you find the stock below this level of 477.70, sorry, so you can definitely take this target of almost 6 to 7%. That is a very good target. This target can be achieved in 2 days, and also for a single day you can achieve this target as well if there's a heavy fall in the stock. Okay, so these were the four setups that I found out to be very good and helpful. So you should definitely trade them, and you should look for them. You should look for a short trade in them. Okay, guys, and soon we will be launching a very interesting and very dynamic course, and all the details would be shared on this page as well. So you should keep watch on it, and you should please do subscribe and share with your traders and investor friends, and I'll see you in the next video.